And welcome. We're here with a short country living and dogs video with Tsunami right there. We're out here on a nice, hot, sunny day. There's Jazz just sitting right beside me. Champion doing something. Waiting for me to throw a rock. But my hands are full, as you can see. I got their leashes on. We still haven't burnt that fire yet. I thought he was gonna do it. Come on, Jazz. Someone must be here. Mailman? Maybe? The mailman. Come on, Jazz. Come on down. Come on, Jazzy. I can't throw anything right now, champion. You're gonna have to do something else. We're sitting around. You're messing with it. What? Jazz, what are you barking at, girl? Yeah. What are you barking at? You're wanting me to pet you, but I can't. My hands are full right now. I can't even light up a cigarette right now. You guys are... Oh, he was busy. Go on, go do your constitution or something, champion. I gotta throw something somehow. I gotta put these here. Come on. No, go this way. This way, you stooge. Let me do a small one just so he gets down there. He won't go near. I've got them blacklisted. Well, screw you then, if that's not what you want. Jazz is sitting right beside me. She's wanting me to pet her. Champ. There, he's happy. And he's jealous. And Jazz is right here. I gotta pet her. She's waiting to be pet. Oh, Jazz. Waiting to be patted. And Tsunami was jealous. He's taking care of his constitution. So let's keep him off. He just did his constitution. And my things are going crazy. Good boy. They're constantly doing this with the thing. Now, trying to keep him there. Here, champ, go get it. Screw you. I'm not gonna deal with that. We're not staying out. It is hotter than hell out here. We got a heat wave coming in tomorrow. Clear skies, though. Very clear skies. Yes. You won't leave my side, will ya? Will ya, girl? She's comfortable right where she's at. Sits right by me, and Champion's right beside me. They've been close by for quite some time. They won't let me have any space. And that's surprising that... All right. Here, let me throw this. There. He's making a collection over there is what he's doing. He's making a collection over there. See, he won't bring them back to me. He won't bring them back to me. He makes his own collection. Sometimes it's like 6 foot from me. But he will not bring anything all the way back to me. Huh. What are you doing, Tsunami? Tsunami, what are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? that's still from he still hasn't had the workers come and bring this pile so they can mow this lawn, and the ticks are real bad back here right now. I have to take a lot of ticks off these two. She's treated. I should treat my dogs, but none of that shit seems to work. I'm not wasting $38 a month for each dog for stuff that the drops supposed to be so good that veterinarians even use. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. They've got a certain oil in their skin that comes out. It's supposed to keep them from having a dog smell in the house and stuff. That shit don't work. You read about it, you see about it, and the things, but country living and dogs, we're still here. We're still here. They're going up there. Let's sense some rodent up there. Some kind of critter. There's some kind of critter in there. Now, they're going up there. These things are something else. All right, we're going to go in. It's been 6.5-minute video. So we're going to let you go. We just wanted to pop in and say hello. Just a short video. Jazz, there's something. She's watching something. She's sniffing around doing something. But you're just wanting me to throw shit, dude. You're just wanting me to throw stuff, and I'm not in the mood to do that right now. I'm not in the mood to do that, champion. All right, folks, we're going to stop. 7-minute video. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Stay well. And we will return. It's been a while, but we're still here.